Hello, welcome to Polish with Blondes. In today's lesson we're going to ask a question, what is it? And answer this question with a few words. I will also explain to you how nouns in Polish can be divided and what it means when you build your sentences. Okay, let's get started. Co to jest? Co to jest? Co to jest? Paszport. Paszport. To jest paszport. To jest mój paszport. Mój. To jest mój paszport. Co to jest? Ciastko. Ciastko. To jest ciastko. To jest moje ciastko. Moje ciastko. Co to jest? Kawa. Kawa. To jest kawa. To jest moja kawa. Okay, now a few words of explanation for you. Nouns in Polish can be divided into three groups. Masculine, and our example was paszport. Feminine nouns, our example was kawa. And neuter nouns, for example, ciastko. Now, depending on the gender of your noun, you will need to adjust your possessive pronoun that describes it or an adjective. So therefore we say mój paszport, mój paszport. So mój is for the word my for masculine nouns. For feminine, kawa, kawa, the word for my is moja, moja. And it won't be just the word moja, any adjective you want to use or a possessive pronoun for feminine nouns will have a at the end. As you probably noticed, our noun kawa has also a at the end. So it's easy to remember because the ending in most cases is the same. Moja kawa. And the third group, neuter nouns, ciastko, they can have a few different vowels at the end, or in one case a consonant. So they can have o, ciastko, at the end. They can have a letter e, which we pronounce e. For example, śniadanie, śniadanie. Sometimes they also have at the end, o, m. But in most cases is o, e. Okay. A few more examples of masculine nouns for you. Easy to remember and quite practical, I suppose. Bilet. Bilet, a ticket. Komputer. Komputer, a computer. Right, how would you then say, it is my computer? To jest mój komputer. To jest mój komputer. How would you say it's my ticket? To jest mój bilet. To jest mój bilet. Just one more example, which is so easy and also a practical word to know. Telefon. Telefon. A masculine noun. So how would you then say, it is my phone? To jest mój telefon. To jest mój telefon. On to feminine nouns. Kawa, as you remember now, I hope. Okay. How would you say it's my coffee? To jest moja kawa. To jest moja kawa. Okay. One more example for you. Herbata. Herbata. Let's say it's my tea. Tak, to jest moja herbata. To jest moja herbata. Okay, let me teach you one more, which we'll be using later quite a lot. Lekcja. Lekcja. A lesson. Lekcja. So how do you say it's my lesson? To jest moja lekcja. To jest moja lekcja. And finally, time to practice neuter nouns. Ciastko, ciastko. Let's say it's my biscuit. To jest moje ciastko. To jest moje ciastko. And what was the word for breakfast? Do you remember? Śniadanie, śniadanie. Let's say my breakfast. Moje śniadanie. Moje śniadanie. It's my breakfast. To jest moje śniadanie. To jest moje śniadanie. And finally, I'd like you to pay attention to a few sounds which might be difficult at first when you learn Polish. So, time for our pronunciation practice. The word paszport has sh sound. S, Z together make one sound. Sh. Paszport. In the word which means breakfast, what was the word for breakfast one more time? Śniadanie, śniadanie. You have a similar sound but slightly softer. Sh. 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 Śniadanie. Let's compare the two sounds. Sh. 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 Okay. One tricky sound is in our word for a biscuit. What was the word for a biscuit then? Ciastko, ciastko. Okay, CI together make one sound. Ch, ch. Okay, then when you use them in a word, they are followed by a vowel, as in our word, ciastko. So that's one way of spelling it. The other one is in the word which means hi. Perhaps you know this word already. Cześć. Notice that it's at the end of the word, and then we spell it like that. But the pronunciation is the same. Ch, ch, cześć. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and follow us for more.